understand the concept of series circuit, let's consider one example. As you can observe in this particular circuit, there are three resistances. Okay, so how we are going to identify whether the given circuit is series circuit or parallel circuit? Already we had discussed three important points related to the series circuit. What was the first point that we had discussed? The first point was the current flowing through each and every resistance is the same. Am I right? The second point was the applied voltage is equal to voltage addition or the sum of voltage drop across each and every resistor, as the voltage get divides in case of the series circuit. So you have to apply voltage divider rule. Let's begin with, now you need to apply what is Ohm's law. Ohm's law is nothing but equal to V is equal to IR. As I told you, this is the applied voltage and current I will flow in this particular circuit. So we need to calculate first what is V1. V1 is the voltage drop across resistor R1. What is V1? V1 is the voltage drop across resistor R1. So what would be V2? V2 is nothing but the voltage drop across resistor R2. Similarly, the voltage drop across resistor R3 is nothing but equal to V3. Am I right? So you need to calculate what would be the voltage drop across R1 by Ohm's law, what would be the voltage drop across R2 by Ohm's law, and what would be the value of V3 by Ohm's law. So can you recollect what is basically Ohm's law? V is equal to I into R. So V1 is nothing but equal to, as I told you, current will remain same. So current flowing through each and every resistor will be same. So V1 is equal to I into R1. Am I right? So what would be the V2 ka value, which is nothing but equal to I into R2. What is V3? V3 is nothing but equal to I into R3. I hope you have understood how to calculate the voltage drop across resistor R1, resistor R2 and resistor R3. Now what you need to calculate? You have to calculate total applied voltage. So what would be the total applied voltage in series circuit? Which is equal to sum of voltage drop across each and every resistance. Am I right? So how many resistances are there? There are three resistances. So what would be the total voltage? V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Am I right? If in the circuit, if there are four resistances, what would be the applied voltage ka value? It would be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. Am I right? So in this case, you have to consider applied voltage V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So what would be the value of V1 that we have calculated? V1 is equal to I into R1. V2 is equal to I into R2 and V3 is equal to I into R3. Am I right? So the total applied voltage is equal to, you need to take I outside the bracket. What is there inside the bracket? R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is nothing but equal to total equivalent resistance of the circuit. So in case of the series circuit, by Ohm's law, the value of voltage, applied voltage is equal to I into RT. That is, RT is nothing but what? Total equivalent resistance of the circuit. In next lecture, we are going to apply voltage divider rule and current divider rule in the circuit.